Do you know that color grading is one of the hook to your videos? When someone is watching your video and that video is very blurred, it's not sharp, it's not shiny, it's not catchy, that person might not like to watch that video today. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade your video from this to this. Okay, so guys, join me on the screen. Let me show you how to do this using your app Capcut. Let's go guys. As you're watching this video, help me to share it out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more tutorials.
So guys, if you want to color grade your video, all you need to do is just to come to your Capcut app, you tap new project, then it will take you to your gallery. You look for the video that you want to color grade. Okay, look for the video. This video now, I want to color grade it. Once you bring in your video, you look down icons, you see adjust, you tap adjust, then you'll see these icons here. You start with the ones that are not pro. Let's start with brightness. You increase it. You increase it. As you're increasing it, you'll be looking at your picture to know how bright it is. If it is too much, if it has passed the color you want. So I increase this one now to 18. So you do your own according to your color. So contrast, I keep it at 6. Saturation, I also keep it at 6. Brilliance, I also keep it at 6. Then sharpen, I like this one so much because it will just sharpen your color. So I keep it at the half mark 50. I go to clarity, I also keep it at 50. Yeah, let me also keep it at 50. Yeah. So I go to HDR. There's nothing there to use. I go to highlight, I keep it at 6. Shadow 6. White 6. These ones now, you will do it according to, let's say it's your chocolate or dark. You can minus this one if you want. You can increase it if you want. Okay, so I keep it at 6. Temp, I also keep it at 6. Hue, I also keep it at 6. Fade 6. Vignette 6. Grain 6. I tap good. Guys, are you seeing the magic? Then after this one, you go back to filter. Yeah, when you come here, you see featured, pro, live, scenery, movies, portrait. You tap portrait. Then here now you see different ones, the free ones and the pro ones. We are using free ones now, so you look for the one that is your color. You understand? All you need to do is just to tap. Me, I love using matte high. Have you seen it, guys? Oh my word. See how I'm looking now. If I want to increase it, I'll increase it like this. If I want to decrease it, I'll decrease it like this. Then you tap good. Once you tap good, you're good to go. Let's play the video and see how it is, guys. Let me off the volume. I don't want you people to hear the volume. Oh my god. Guys, this color grading is top notch. Just see now. See how I am glittering. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, have you seen it? So, when you film a video in a dark place, just do it like this. Color grade your video like this. Change it. Okay? Just touch these icons. only adjust and filter these two things. That is what you need to do. After adjusting it, then you go to filter and do the magic. I use matte highlights and everything come out perfectly. So that is it, guys. After you export your video at 1080 or 2K. So that's it.
So guys, have you seen it? Very easy and simple. Always make sure that you color grade your videos before publishing it. This will help you to get more views, more engagements. It will help people, it will make people to keep on watching. Even if what you're saying on that video does not make sense at times, but because of how you are shining on that video, it will make them to keep on watching. So thank you guys. Remain blessed. To all my returning subscribers, I love you all for your wonderful support. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Blessed Like I'm Selling for more tutorials, YouTube tips, and Facebook tips. Alright? Bye guys. See you all in my next video. Always remember that I love you.